Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting pretty strong and finally showing you this bathroom makeover, which I know I've teased about a little bit on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, go ahead and do so at Casa Neutral also. So first things first, we're going to turn off the water so that I can remove the sink and obviously the faucets. So I'm going to be completely honest with you guys and admit to you that this was actually a trial run kind of project, just because I want to obviously remodel our main bathroom. This is actually the guest bathroom, and I wanted to basically have an idea of what it was going to be like when it comes to demoing, because I've never demoed this kind of vanity before, which is individual tiles. And let me tell you that I hate it because this is so much work and it's super messy. So I'm glad that I started off slow and small because now I have an idea. So I actually have a certain style in my mind of what I want the bathrooms to look like. It involves more custom built vanity because I have certain things that I want to add to our main bathroom that you typically get in more custom luxurious kind of bathrooms, which is why we wanted to start off small and basically get an idea of what it was going to be like and what it was going to look like also. And speaking of custom, I would like to thank today's sponsor, InYouths. InYouths offers unique and customizable LED mirrors that vary from size and shape to color and features such as Bluetooth speakers, clocks, Wi-Fi weather stations, and demisters for a more personalized experience. InYouths mirrors are built to last with explosion-proof film and waterproof backing for added protection. You also get a clear HD reflection with adjustable brightness and color temperature to suit your needs. With up to 300 combinations of sizes and 11 additional feature options, the possibilities are endless, and there's guarantee that you will find the perfect mirror for you. So I did get to fully customize the size of this mirror, which I'm so thankful for because this bathroom is awkwardly small. So I knew that I was definitely going to have to get something custom. It does have a demister, which is pretty great because the bathroom doesn't have anything like that at the moment. And I love the hood touch button thing. Also, the lighting is very flattering. I love it. The overall purpose of this mirror was for me to have to do my makeup in front of. I really like the idea of having like a custom built-in makeup vanity within the bathroom vanity. If that makes any sense to you guys, I will show you inspo pictures. I did get the idea from Pinterest and I'm so excited because I love this concept. I feel like this is going to make our bathroom look more elevated and of course custom, especially with our new mirror, and I really can't wait to get started. I already have the materials that I want for the shower and the vanity, but we still have to get started on the demo and I can't wait for you guys to see how it's gonna look. Before you leave, make sure to check out inyouths.com and use my coupon code CASANEUTRAL for 15% off. And thanks again to InYouths for sponsoring today's video. So like I mentioned before, this actually was a trial run, which is why I didn't show you guys exactly how we built this vanity, because I didn't know how it was going to look. And honestly, I was just basically planning as we went. And we were super rushed also because Noah's birthday party was right around the corner and we just needed to get this bathroom fixed. Otherwise, we wouldn't have a bathroom for our guests to use. So I do apologize for that, but I am going to show you every step of the way for the main bathroom in the future. This was just kind of like to share with you guys, or kind of like a tease of what our other bathroom is going to look like. I am going to change some things. I still don't know what the paint is going to be like, just because the tile that I'm using for the shower is going to be different and a little bit darker. So I'm not sure what I want to do. I do love the lime wash here in this bathroom. I think that it turned out really great and I honestly am really happy about it. So like I mentioned before, the vanity is going to be exactly the same concept, but a little bit bigger obviously, and with drawers because we will need them. I'm really excited about the whole makeup vanity section of it, which I'm so excited about because I'm finally going to have a place where I can actually do my makeup in front of and also sit, because right now I don't have that. I did have that in our old house. I'm really looking forward to having that in this bathroom, and I really can't wait for you guys to see all the features, or the cool features that we're going to add to this bathroom. So I really hope that you guys stick around to watch how these rooms turn out. I know that they've been a little rushed lately. I had a really tough year so far. I don't know what's going on with my life, honestly. I feel like it's been a really tough one, but I'm still here trying my best, and this bathroom had to be rushed for personal reasons. But the next one, I'm hoping that I can actually take my time on and share every little detail with you guys. Now let's remember what the bathroom used to look like.